Vitamin A comes in two forms. There's an animal form called retinol, which is in meat, fish, eggs, there's a bit in milk as well, and a vegetarian form, which is called beta-carotene. And as the name suggests, it's in orange stuff. It's in carrots, it's in sweet potatoes, it's in butternut squash, but it's also in greens. And the beta-carotene version of vitamin A converts into vitamin A depending on how much you need. So you can actually overdose on lots of animal vitamin A, but you can never overdose on beta-carotene. Now, vitamin A is essential for all the cells of the body, and particularly the skin or the membrane of the cell. And for that reason, it's really good for your skin. It's what we call an antioxidant, which means it protects you from anything that's burnt. So sunburn, literally, is protected with vitamin A. So you can buy vitamin A creams that you put on the skin, and it protects you. Now, it also protects your inner skin, that is your digestive tract. So, for example, if someone has ulcers, it's going to really help with that. And vitamin A is something we all need, and we need it every single day. I both eat it by eating orange foods, and it's also in green leafy veg, but it's also in meat and fish. So if you're eating a good diet, you're getting vitamin A. It's worth supplementing, and a decent supplement will provide you with 7,500 units of vitamin A, which is also called something like 200 and 2,500 micrograms. So there's two different ways of measuring it. And by the way, you can tell how much beta-carotene you've got in your system by literally looking at the color of the palm of your hands. So if you wipe your hand, you press your hand, it's very white, then you're not getting enough vitamin A, or particularly beta-carotene. So if you drink a glass of carrot juice every day for about 4 days, and you then press your palm, you'll see that you've got a slightly yellow glow. So having enough vitamin A and beta-carotene also gives you a sort of hint of a suntan, so it makes you look healthy and not pasty. There is a slight concern about very high doses of vitamin A in relation to pregnancy. This is rather over-egged, I have to say, because it's really incredibly rare that this happens. But theoretically, if you have way too much vitamin A, perhaps from eating tons of liver or having supplements that are very high in vitamin A, theoretically, if you are pregnant, it could cause a birth defect. So you'll find a lot of supplements say, caution if you are pregnant. To be honest, I've never encountered this. But there was an Arctic exploration where the explorers ate a polar bear's liver and apparently died from this massive overdose of vitamin A. So that's the first vitamin you've got to have. Eat it, supplement it, stay well, look young.